Why ergonomics matters.
Good ergonomics reduce strain, boost comfort, and help prevent pain or injury. An ergonomic workstation isn't just about fancy gear. It means arranging your space so your body stays relaxed and healthy during long hours at your desk. With a few simple tweaks and affordable tools, you can dramatically improve how you feel at the end of the day.
Affordable ergonomic desk setup.
Start by adjusting your desk and chair for healthy posture. If you don't have an adjustable chair, use a folded towel or cushion for lumbar support. Place a sturdy box or a stack of books under your monitor to raise it to eye level. Your elbows should rest comfortably at your sides, and wrists should be straight when typing.
DIY solutions for comfort.
Creative DIY fixes can make a big difference. Use rolled-up towels or small pillows for arm and back support if needed. Place a small box or footrest under your feet to keep your knees at about a 90-degree angle. If your mouse or keyboard is too high, raise your chair and use a footrest to maintain alignment.
Lighting and reducing eye strain.
Good lighting is key to a healthy workstation. Position your desk near a window for natural light, or use an affordable desk lamp with soft, indirect light. Reduce glare on your monitor by angling the screen and adjusting blinds. Remember the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds to rest your eyes.
Healthy movement habits.
No ergonomic setup is complete without movement breaks. Set reminders to stand, stretch, and walk for a minute or two every hour. Try simple desk stretches. Rotate your shoulders, stretch your wrists, and gently turn your neck side to side. These habits, combined with your improved workstation, help keep aches and fatigue at bay.